In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M51, and let me show you how to set up the full browser on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then now find and select apps. Right here, click on more icon, which is free, this one in the right upper corner, and then select default apps. And here click browser app. As you can see, we've got currently installed just Chrome, but if you have any other apps, browsing apps, they will be displayed here, and all you need to do to pick the particular one is to click just like that to pick some particular browser as a default browsing app. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.